Hey there, fellow product managers. Today, I want to dive into a thought provoking topic that's been a game changer in my career journey. The notion goes like this: should structure always follow strategy? It might seem like a no brainer, but let me tell you, putting this into action is a whole different ballgame. I am Ramesh Babu, product leader transformation expert. I help junior and middle level IT product managers to enrich their career and transform as a global leader and deliver quality products to their customers. Companies, a dynamic blend of individuals united by a common purpose. Now, let's imagine if the approach was to craft a structure based on the existing talent pool. Sounds logical, right? But here's the kicker: that structure might not necessarily align with the strategy required for a success. I have been there, and it's a puzzle many of us grapple with. Here's the why. Strategies should be the North Star, they lead the way, and then, like puzzle pieces, the structure falls into place to execute that strategy. This becomes particularly paramount during acquisitions. Think about it. No two companies are identical in their structural blueprint. It's like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. So, how do we solve this puzzle? Well, brace yourself because it's a game changer. Instead of a traditional top down approach, we flipped the script. We started by shaping a comprehensive strategy for acquired product lines that became our guiding light. And then we orchestrated the structure to harmonize seamlessly with that strategy. It's like a symphony of innovation and efficiency. The ripple effects. Oh, there's astounding. We have witnessed remarkable success, especially with acquired businesses. Instead of axing talent, we nurtured them. Imagine, instead of scrutinizing organizations' charts, we dwelled into skills, we recognized strengths, and engineered an organizational development approach that skyrocketed collaboration and knowledge sharing. Here's the $1 million question to all you product managers out there: when you are steering through change, do you lead with structure or strategy? I invite you to explore a first strategy mindset. It's about channeling your inner strategist, crafting the big picture, and then you fine tune the structure to magnify your impact. So, my challenge to you is: can we reimagine our roles as product managers? Can we be the architects of strategies that drives structures rather than the other way around? Let's venture together into uncharted waters where strategies illuminate the path and structures empower us to embark on a transformative journey. Stay tuned for more insights, and let's redefine the game, one strategy at a time. Thank you.